Henry, you need to drink lots of water and sleep a lot.
Can I go to the park tomorrow?
Here you go, sweetie. Drink it slowly.
Now, let's get you into your pajamas and into bed.
My head hurts less now.
Henry, wake up. It's time for breakfast.
Mom, I don't feel good. My head hurts.
What's wrong? Why is Henry still in bed?
Oh no, let me feel your forehead. You are very warm. He has a fever, Dad. He says his head hurts.
And my throat is sore. It hurts when I swallow.
It looks a little red. We need to make you feel better.
I will make you some honey and lemon tea. That helps a sore throat. Here you go, sweetie. Drink it slowly.
Okay, Mom. Thank you. It tastes good, but my head still hurts.
Let's try a cold compress. I will get a wet cloth.
Thanks, Dad.
Put this on your forehead. It will cool you down.
But I still feel very tired.
Maybe you should rest in bed. Try to sleep.
I will try, but I can't stop thinking about my tummy. It feels a little upset.
Your tummy hurts too?
Yes, Dad.
And I feel very hot. This is getting serious. Dad, should we take him to the doctor?
I think that is a good idea. Dr. Brown can check him properly.
Henry, we are going to take you to see the doctor. He will help you.
But I don't like doctors. I am scared of needles.
Don't worry. Dr. Brown is very kind. He will just look at you.
What's going on? Why is everyone in Henry's room?
Henry is sick, Lily. We are taking him to the doctor.
Oh no. I will come with you. I will hold your hand, Henry. Thanks, Lily. I am scared. It will be okay. The doctor will give you medicine and you will be better.
Okay, everyone, let's get our jackets. We are going to the clinic.
Henry, can you walk to the car?
Yes, Mom. I am a little dizzy, but I can walk.
Here we are. This is the clinic.
It looks big. Don't worry, it has many toys in the waiting room.
Let's go inside.
Good morning. How can I help you? Good morning. My son Henry is feeling unwell. He has a fever and a sore throat.
Okay. Please fill out this form. What is your name?
My name is Henry.
And how old are you, Henry?
I am 7 years old.
Very good. Please take a seat. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you, nurse.
Henry, look, there is a toy car. Do you want to play with it? I don't feel like playing. I just want to lie down.
Don't worry. The wait will be short.
Rest your head on my shoulder, baby. Let me put my hand on your head. You are burning up.
Henry, I am Dr. Brown. Please come with me.
Okay, doctor.
Can we come with him?
Yes, of course. Come in, everyone. Henry, please sit on the exam table.
Is it gonna hurt?
No, Henry. I am just going to check your ears, your throat, and your heartbeat.
It will be quick, Henry. I promise.
First, let me listen to your chest. Take a deep breath.
Deep breath. Breathe out.
Very good. Your lungs sound clear. Your throat is a little red. You have an infection. No, you don't need a shot. You will take a liquid medicine.
Yay! Strawberry medicine!
I will write a prescription for him. You can get it at the pharmacy. We will go right away. Thank you, doctor.
Henry, you need to drink lots of water and sleep a lot. Stay home tomorrow.
Can I go to the park tomorrow?
If you rest today, maybe you can go to the park the day after tomorrow.
Okay, let's go get the medicine.
I will help you remember to take it, Henry.
Let's go to the pharmacy now. It is right next door.
I have the prescription right here.
Hello. How can I help you? We need this medicine for my son, Henry. Here you go. Take 5 milliliters twice a day.
Thank you. How much does it cost?
That will be $15, please. Here you are. Thank you very much.
Let's go home, everyone.
I am so tired. I want to sleep in my own bed.
We will be home in 10 minutes.
Henry, when we get home, I will read you a story. That sounds nice, Lily.
We are home! Henry, take your medicine first.
It tastes like candy, Mom.
Good. Now drink a big glass of water.
Okay.
Let's get you into your pajamas and into bed.
My head hurts less now.
That is because the medicine is working.
I will give you your teddy bear to hold. Thank you. I love my teddy bear.
Good night, Henry. Sleep well.
Good night, everyone. I love you. Good night, brother. Feel better.
Henry, how are you feeling?
Mom, I am feeling much better. My headache is gone.
That is wonderful. Your fever is gone too.
When can I go play?
If you eat well and rest today, you can play in the garden tomorrow.
I promise I will eat all my food.
You did a great job, Henry. You were very brave at the doctor.
Dr. Brown was so nice. See? I told you it would be okay. Yes, Lily, you were right. Mom, I learned that I need to take care of my body.
That is the most important lesson. Good job, my brave boy.
Let's have soup for dinner tonight. It is very healthy.
I love chicken soup. Can I have some too?
Everyone can have some. We will eat together as a family.
I am so happy I am feeling better.
You will be strong again in no time.
Thank you, everyone, for helping me get better.
We will always help you, Henry.
And I will always hold your hand.